Welcome again. Here I am, Teacher Lachlan. Welcome green parrots and brown owls. It can be for anybody, of course. Welcoming everybody. Okay, we are into week 5 of our online learning. I hope you're enjoying the live classes. I'm going to do a little bit more explanation about the home packs. So make sure you watch the videos along with the online live classes. Mix the two of them together to get the best results. Okay, we're going to start off our sight words. I hope we're writing our sight words down in our sight word wall that we have. We're into week 5. So we have another, boat, air, gone, and rabbit. Another, something else. Is it one or another? Okay. I would like another sweet. I would like another piece of cake. Okay. Also for something more. Okay. Okay, here we are with our first sight word worksheet of the week. This is Mondays. We also have one for Thursday. Number 1, another. Okay, I want you to write it out 3 times, and as you write it out, say it. Another. There's a TH in the middle of it. Make sure you get those THs done. Okay, if you're looking for something, can I have another one, please? Can I try another book? Okay, can I have another sweet? Then we have boat. We all know what a boat is. Okay, sails on the water. Air all around us. The sky. Okay, gone. Gone. Where has he gone? It's past tense of to go. You've already gone. Okay, and then rabbit. We all know our lovable bunny rabbit. Okay, so you've got 5 sentences here, and I want you to put each one in each of the gaps. Okay, so like the first one, the something hopped across the field. Have a look at the 5. Does a boat hop across a field? We don't know. You're the one that's going to tell me. Okay, this one again, the plane. Again, we're introducing as well our phonic sounds with the E. It's not P-L-A-N would be plan. P-L-A-N-E, plane. Changing the A sound. Where do you see a plane? Okay. Can I have something sweet, please? You're looking for more. Which one of that? Look for more. My friends have something on holidays. They're away. What was the past tense there of to go? Okay, and then we crossed the river in a river. What does a river made of? What does it consist of? Water. Which one of those 5 words would you associate or join with water? Okay, so that's what I want you to do. Okay, and you can also see what else hops across a field. The plane flew through the... Where else does see a plane? Can I have... Is there anything else you can put there? My friends have something on holidays, and we crossed the river in a... How many things can you cross a river in? Yeah? You tell me. You try and, as your vocab, as your words get bigger and bigger and bigger, you should be able to use more than one in a sentence. But I want you to practice them, okay? Another, boat, air, gone, and rabbit. Okay? So that's Mondays. You also have Thursdays with 5 different sentences. Again, the same thing. I want you to put each word into each sentence and make sure what you see, what you write, your ears agree with you. Okay? Read it out, and if it sounds okay, perfect, then you can move on. Okay, so we've just done our sight words. Now moving on to the second part of the English in this home learning pack. We have a reading comprehension worksheet. It's just a small story, At the zoo, okay? Something in relation to our IPC unit, which is animals, our earth, and our habitat, okay? The zoo is not a natural habitat for animals, but unfortunately, because some of them are in danger from human activity, and some of them are in danger from nature, that we have to, unfortunately, that's the only way we can see them, okay? So, you can see 3 animals here, okay? We can see there's a bear, there's an elephant, there's a monkey. But what does the story tell you? Okay? Have a look at the story. Go over it a few times, okay? Read it. You should say, like I'll read the first sentence. First I saw the, again, white, the I sound, white bear. Then I saw the black. Then I saw the camel with a hump upon its back. Okay. Keep reading it. Then I saw the grey wolf with mutton in its maw. Then I saw a wombat waddle in the straw. Then I saw the elephant waving of his trunk. Then I saw the monkeys, mercy, how unpleasant they smelt. Okay, if we look at it there, some of them black back, maw, straw, okay? Some of them get back into rhyming, okay? It's the end of the words that sound together. So that's a little bit piece there on at the zoo. And then we have 4 questions. What colour were the 2 bears? You need to find where it mentions the bears and go back and have a look. We know our colours. What did the camel have upon its back? Okay, again, find the camel in the story. Okay, and what did it have upon its back? What did the wombat do in the straw? Go back to where it says the wombat. Okay, then I saw a wombat, something in the straw. What did he do? Which is the last animal that was seen? Okay, this is also as well about following a story. Okay, there's a start, there's a middle, and there's an end. It each has information. Okay, you have to follow it piece by piece by piece in any story comprehension. Okay, so you have to read the short story. It should be no problem for you guys, yeah? And then answer each of the questions. And try and answer them not in word format, but in sentence format. What colour were the 2 bears? Instead of writing down just the 2 colours, you write down the 2 bears were, and then the 2 colours. What did the camel have upon its back? The camel had, whatever it was, upon his back. What did the wombat do in the straw? Don't give it just a one-word answer. You can write down the wombat something in the straw. And then which is the last animal to be seen? You could say the, whichever animal was the last animal to be seen. So this is part of the reading comprehension. Instead of giving one-word answers, now as well with the grammar and our phonic sounds, everything in the English, we're meant to join. Yeah, to start reading and writing longer and longer sentences. For example, if we say, what day is today? Instead of just saying the day, you can say today is. Okay, a little bit more emphasis on sentence answers. Okay, so that is the whole point of this comprehension worksheet. Try and get the answers in sentence format. Okay, everything is there for you. The answers are here, and any other words that you're looking for is also hidden in the question. Okay, so that is the story comprehension for this week. Okay, again guys, our third part of our English home learning pack is a little bit of a, I wouldn't say a game, but it's a little bit of a puzzle, okay? You have to match the sentence. You have three phrases, and underneath here, you have 3 pictures and a word with what the pictures are doing. Here, one says cold, old, okay? Remember the k, old. What does that look like? Egg. And then AI, A, NT, N, paint, okay? Back to our phonics sounds. So I want you just to read each clue, okay? And then just fill in the answer. So we'll go through the first one. What has to be broken before you can use it? I don't know. A cold. Does a cold have to be broken before you use it? What about an egg? Do we need to crack open an egg before we use it? Maybe, maybe. And what about paint? I don't know. Okay. So, answer number 1 here. Number 2. What kind of coat can only be put on when wet? Okay, now, a coat is something we use normally to stop ourselves from getting wet. It's a covering, okay? It covers us. So have a look, see which one covers. Does a cold cover something? Does an egg cover something? Or does paint cover something? Because as we get used to the English language, you'll understand that one word, depending on the sentence that it's in, can have a slightly different meaning. A coat doesn't always mean something that you wear. Okay? It means something that covers or that insulates. Okay? So it's a cold, egg, or paint. Okay. And then, what can you catch but not throw? Okay, just before as well, there's a lot of good phonics sounds that we have there that we've already covered this year, okay? Want you to practice those phonics. What can you catch but not throw? Okay, can you catch an egg? You can, but can you also throw an egg? Can you catch paint? Can you throw paint? Can you catch a cold? Can you throw a cold? Okay? So maybe the first one or the second one might be difficult, but you know one, okay? Definite. So you write it in and you tick it off. And from there, yeah, you'll have a better chance. Again, guys, this is all about putting the clues together in any subject that we're learning. Clues, riddles, pieces of the puzzle. We put it together. As I say, we'll just put up, this was Tuesdays. Here is Fridays. I'll just put up for you here. Okay, Friday. Let's see what Friday has in store for us. Okay, again, read the sentences. The answers are down here. So we have towel, okay, glove, of, bottle, okay, 3 pictures. Okay, and here we have 3 riddles. What has a head but no neck? I don't know. We have to find out. Let's read all 3 of them. What gets wetter as it dries? Okay, and what has a thumb and 4 fingers but is not alive? Okay. So what does a towel do? Okay. When do you use a towel? Gloves. Have you seen a glove? What is it made of? How is it made? Okay. Again, what's it used for? And a bottle. Look at a bottle. How is it used? How would you describe these pictures? Okay. And see if it fits each of the clues. So this is a little bit of a different way of reading. It's the puzzles, okay? Yeah, a little bit of a game to get your mind working, okay? So that is the English. You have your sight words. On 2 days, every Monday and Thursday, okay, yeah. Practice them, practice writing them, practice saying them out loud, then fill them into the sentences, okay. We had our story comprehension about the zoo. Try and answer it in sentence formation. And then here we have our riddles, yeah, our puzzle. To try and we have to try and match them, yeah, so everything makes sense, okay. That is the first part of the English. Now we were going to move on with the grammar, okay? And this week we are moving on with adjectives. And once we start, I will tell you all about an adjective, what it means and when we use it. Okay?